What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yota Expedition. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Hitch pod light kits from Diode Dynamics. So when it comes to these, you're going to have two different kits. You're going to have the SS-C1 and you're going to have the C1R. I'm going to go ahead and explain the differences between the two. So the SS-C1 kit is going to feature a reverse light and also a running light, where the C1R kit is going to have reverse light, running light, and a fourth brake light, with the option of having that brake light flash so the people behind you can be aware that you are now stepping on the brakes. When it comes to installing these, it's going to be super easy. They both come with a harness that's going to be plugging directly into your trailer light hookup, and then you have a plug that's going to be going into your new Hitch pod light kit. The C1R has a different harness. It's essentially the same, but it has a unit on there for the flashing feature. Also some extra wiring to include the rear fourth brake light setup. If you don't want your brake light to flash, you can simply just cut this wire that is looped, and you won't have that feature anymore. Once you have the wiring hooked up, the light will snap into any 2-inch Hitch receiver in a matter of seconds. Also, on the light itself, there's two tabs, one on either side. If you would want to install a Hitch pin to assure that no one can take this out, you can simply just break those tabs off and slide your Hitch pin through, and then you know that your pod light is going to be safe. So let's go ahead and show you how easy it is to get this thing installed. So I'm going to show you how to do this install on our Tacoma really quickly. If you have a 4Runner or a Tundra, the install is going to be exactly the same. The plug layout just might be a little bit differently. Obviously on the Tacoma, you can see the plug is right here, so we're going to be unplugging that from behind the bumper area. But if you do have a 4Runner or a Tundra, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how it looks installed on those as well. So from under the vehicle, you're going to find the backside of your trailer light hookup, and we're going to go ahead and unplug that. Now we're going to take our harness from Diode Dynamics, going to plug the one end into your factory plug, and the other end, plug that back into your trailer hitch hookup. Now we have this plug, and this is what we're going to be plugging into our pod light. So we're going to take this and route it through. Now we can go ahead and plug in our light and clip it in place. So once you get the light installed, use the supplied zip ties and just zip tie the wiring up to make sure that it's not dangling down. Now you can simply go ahead, plug in the light, and slip it back into the hitch until it clips into place. All right, like I mentioned earlier, if you want to, you can take these tabs off and you can use a hitch pin. So I have a pair of cutters here. I'm going ahead and pulled out the tab. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut that off. Do that on both sides, and then we can go ahead and install our hitch pin. So that's it when it comes to the install. It's really easy. So let's go ahead and see this thing in action. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this install for the hitch mount light from Diode Dynamics. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you want to grab one of these, whether it's for your 4Runner, Tacoma, or Tundra, click the link in the description or head over to YotaExpedition.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.